right here. That's a tarantula. Say tarantula. Next page, okay? That's a caterpillar. Say caterpillar. Okay, what's that? That's a cocoon. This one? What is that? That's a moth. Okay, next. Okay, this one? What is it? Dragonfly. Okay, this one? What's that one? That's a firefly. That's a firefly too. Say firefly. Okay, these ones? What are those? Cricket. Okay, next. That's a grasshopper. Say grasshopper. What? Grasshopper. It flies, yeah. No, he jumps. He jumps really high. Okay, what are these ones? Flies. Yeah. Okay, over here. What are those? Ants. Yeah, those are little guys that you smash with your feet. Okay, what are these? What are they? Those are ants too. And this? That's a ladybug. Where did you see a ladybug at? Yeah, we did see one at the park. What did the ladybug do? It fell in the grass? What did it do before it fell in the grass? Did he crawl on Riley's arm? Oh, what is this right here? I think that's an aphid. Say aphid. Okay, next. Uh-oh. What is that? You don't know what that is? What is it? No, that's a wasp. Those are like bees. Those will bite you too. You gotta be careful with those.
No, not bite, sting.
Sting. They'll sting you. Okay, and you know what that is? A spider, yeah. Okay, next. What are these? No, that's a butterfly right there. And that's a moth right there. Say moth. That's a moth too. Okay, and oh, you know what these guys are? Yeah, you know. No, they go psst. No, what are these? They go psst. Bees? Yeah, they're bees. Okay, and these guys? What are they? Butterflies. Say, no, those are actually monarch butterflies. Can you say monarch? Butterfly. Good boy. Oh, all done. Last page. What's that? A bee? Are you just more confused now?
My turn.
Your turn now? Okay. What is that? That's Gaga.
Fly? What is it? What is it?
Beach.
Is it?
It's a fly. What is it? Let me see. That's the one we saw at the park. What is it? A lady? Ladybug.